Modern boys, you're losing something powerful. You call it being woke, sensitive, or just a good guy. But deep down, you feel empty. You're soft, distracted, uncut from the fire that makes a man. And if you don't wake up, you'll wake up one day and realize you're not even a man anymore. Here's the hard truth and how to fix it. The problem: softness in disguise. Society tells you it's toxic to be strong. Empathy is praised. Comfort is king. But what they don't tell you is that the man they demonize is the same one who builds civilizations. Modern boys have swapped steel for pillows, resolve for comfort. Strength is unseen, hidden in quiet discipline, not in tweets or wellness hashtags. Why masculinity is disappearing. Let's break down how you lost this. Soft culture and coddling. You were told feel your feelings, not adjust your mindset. You avoid discomfort at all costs. Porn and dopamine culture. You're living in high stimulation, low effort mode. Your brain thinks it's winning, but it's weakening your drive. Father figures missing. No male role models teaching you how to grind. Only celebrity influencers who show off, not lift heavy. No mission, no movement. You lack purpose, so you stay stalled. Without direction, you feel lost, masked as comfortable. The cost of losing masculinity. What happens when a man loses his edge? He can't protect himself or others. He can't inspire confidence in anyone. He hides from confrontation. He sleeps in late, scrolls, numbs out. This isn't freedom. It's being emotionally castrated. Having no backbone means no respect. And without respect, life becomes flat, directionless, and lonely. The fix: how to rebuild masculinity. Want your energy back? Want to feel alive again? Here are the daily building blocks. Number 1, force feed discomfort. Cold showers, heavy lifts, early alarms. Chase pain, not comfort. Number 2, purpose daily. Set 3 non-negotiable goals each morning. They don't have to be big, they just have to be followed through. Number 3, mentor and brotherhood. Find elders, peers, or same-minded men training hard. Not for validation, for accountability. Number 4, digital discipline. Delete porn, delete junk. Only input that builds, not numbs. Number 5, learn a skill. Something physical or mental, boxing, coding, carpentry. You don't need degrees, you need mastery. Number 6, embrace solitude, 90-minute rule. Every day for 90 minutes minimum, no phone. Sit with your thoughts. Strategy, growth, focus. These aren't hacks. These are forges. They melt your weakness and recreate your strength. The outcome: real men return. What happens when you walk this path? Your voice deepens and your presence grows. You stop seeking approval because now you create. You find real pleasure from challenge, growth, and brotherhood. Your posture changes, and so does your confidence. You become the version people admire, and you admire that version yourself. Modern boys, and you're not broken. You're just asleep in a world that encourages sleep. Manhood isn't about aggression. It's about purpose, discipline, and growth. So take the first step now. Write your mission. Choose a skill. Start walking, even if trembling. And every day, show up. Don't become the man the world warned you not to be. Become the man they pray to meet. Because a man who wins against his own softness wins everything.